craving for something sweet and buttery side dish? Then, magluto tayo ng buttered carrots. Hi guys, this is Leonard and welcome to Ulam's Vlog. And for this quick and easy recipe, kakailanganin lang natin ang 5 sangkap. Una, ang carrots na ini-slice natin diagonally. Second, sugar and salt. Butter and water. That's it. Tara't simulan na natin magluto. On our sauté pan, maglalagay lang tayo ng tubig, just enough to cover our slices of carrots. Then, we will just let this water come into boil. So, takpan muna natin yung ating sauté pan and let's wait this to boil. Kumukulo na yung tubig sa ating sauté pan, so we can now add in our slices of carrots. So medyo konti yung tubig nating nailagay, so magdadagdag tayo konti ng hot water just to cover yung ating slices of carrots. Ayun, so that's almost enough. Takpan ulit natin yung ating sauté pan at palambutin natin yung carrots halfway through.
A few moments later.
It's time para kamustahin natin yung mga carrots. Ayan, so medyo vibrant na yung kulay ng ating carrots. We can now add in the rest of our ingredients tulad ng sugar and salt. At the same time, ilalagay na rin natin yung ating butter. Guys, you may use salted or unsalted butter. Pwedeng-pwede yan. Pag gumamit lang ng salted butter, medyo tansyahin na lang yung salt na ilalagay. So, all our ingredients are now on the pan. So, all we have to do now is to let all the flavors marry each other and come together by simmering and let all the water evaporates and let the carrots absorb all the flavors coming from the sugar, the salt, and the butter. This is a very simple recipe. Napaka-minimal yung ingredients, yet very delectable and a perfect side dish sa mga prito, sa mga steaks, fried chicken, roasted meat, and the likes. And ang sarap niyang papakin. Promise, it's very tender, it's buttery, it's sweet and balanced ng saltiness coming from the salt. So, hayaan lang nating mag-evaporate yung tubig until sa ma-reach natin yung ganitong state. Believe me, this is so good. Luto na ang ating buttered carrots. Yum! Oh, by the way, pwede rin kayong gumamit dito ng baby carrots. And pwede nyo rin i-tournay yung cuts ng carrots instead of diagonals. So, narito na ang ating buttered carrots. And if you do love this video, please do like and share and drop a comment. At kung bago ka sa channel natin ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at hampasin ang notification bell para ikaw ay parating updated sa ating mga newly uploaded videos. Thank you guys for watching!